Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you are watching this video. Welcome to Fix It Aid. I'm Aid, and today we're going to try and fix this. Have you seen these before? One of these microphone things, blah, you sing into this bit, and it comes out here, and you can do all different types of things with it. And it's been on charge for ages, and it's still no life in it at all. So we need to take it apart, and I have admittedly looked at a video on how to take these apart, so I know where to start from. Excuse the mess in my mat. I've been working on another project which includes the General Lee from Dukes of Hazzard.
Like an orange bolt of lightning passing everything in sight.
So that's coming soon, but in the meantime, yeah, there's a definite rattling here. Oh, right there now. Okay, this comes out now. Whoa. Well, sometimes the problems just present themselves. It's a bloody chip bite. Oh, sugar dropped it down there now. It's a chip bite. I don't know if that's going to focus. Focus camera, son. No, it's not. I can't read that either. Right. Okay, you can see where it's come from. It's pulled off here, look. Okay. So, can I assume, if I get you in a bit closer here, can I assume then that there's the dot here, and because you got that ridge there, that it goes like that? That's my assumption on it. There's the cutout there, so the dot matches the cutout. Okay. Okay, so let's strip this down a bit further then. Mic speakers, it's nice, always all labelled up. What's going on there? Oh, it's wrapped around there. I don't feel the need to take that off here, to be honest with you. Oh, actually, I'm going to have to, because I'm going to have to clamp it into my my board to steady it. So it's going to have to come off. Oh, we did. Oh, that's snapped. Look at that. That's broken off in there, look. Very little we can do about that. Hopefully the force will just hold it together. Not the force in Star Wars, like, Luke, I will hold your switch together, nothing like that. No, just the pressure of it being screwed in. God, it's not all about Star Wars, kids. Come on. Bloody Nora. Not a big Star Wars fan myself. Got nothing against it, but I don't go nuts for it like some people do. But each to their own. If that's what they like, that's what they like. Right, so there is the... I'm going to use the microscope on this. Right. Right, that's that. Let's get a bit of isopropyl. It's nice and clean. Just dry him off. Right, where's my tweezers? Let's get that in situ. And then let's give it a whirl. It's brilliant how it just grabs it, pulls it in. I'm still trying to get the levels of how much I need right, but other than that, I can clean that up anyway. I can clean this up, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Let's just test that bottom one. I just fluxed, wicked. And it's on there. But do I feel I need to put a tad more on? Probably gonna regret doing this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. There. Yeah, might be now. Let's clean him up. Oh, let's clean him up. Wonder how anyone with kids, how many toys get thrown out because they broke. When I think over the years of when I was a kid and all that, Christ alive, you wouldn't have had this equipment back then, no. Right. Let's get him back together. Oh, moment of truth. Yes. Hello, hello, hello. There we go. And what a note to end the video on. Haha. Success. So, hope you've enjoyed the video, and as always, I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Ta-da,